Hi, I'm Fanfan. I live here in Wuhan.
Wuhan sits where two rivers meet, the Yangtze and the Han River. This confluence made Wuhan one of the great trading cities of central China for over 1,000 years, and everything you are about to see was built around this river. Most people come to Wuhan and go straight to Yellow Crane Tower, but I live on this side of the river, and honestly, I think we got a better view. This place is called Qingchuan Pavilion, and the name has a story that starts on the other side of the river. In the year 727 AD, a poet called Cui Hao climbed Yellow Crane Tower just across the Yangtze and wrote what many consider the greatest poem ever written about Wuhan. In it, he looked across the river toward this very spot. He wrote, "On the sunlit river, the trees of Hanyang stand clear and bright. That image, that light on the water, Qingchuan, became the name of this pavilion." Built 800 years after that poem was written, named after the image of a poet saw from the opposite bank, the building is an answer to a poem. This pavilion was first built in 1547, during the Ming Dynasty. It took a long time for someone to finally build the place that poem deserved. The Ming Dynasty, the era of the Forbidden City, of Zheng He's great ocean voyages. The world that built this pavilion was already ancient by the standards of most nations. Since it was first built in 1547, Qingchuan Pavilion has been destroyed and rebuilt at least 5 times, by floods, by neglect, and by war. But what I'm standing in right now was rebuilt in 1983, because this pavilion has been destroyed many times. In 1884, it was damaged by French naval artillery during a military conflict along the Yangtze. You might know a similar story, Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris, which the world watched burn in 2019. In Wuhan, people kept choosing to bring this place back, and every time they did, they were saying, "This matters to us, this is who we are." This is the kind of story that gets lost when you visit a place on your own. That's why I love showing people around. A poem gave it its name. History kept trying to erase it, and people kept bringing it back. That's Qingchuan Pavilion.
If you're planning a trip to China and want a local to show you places like this, you know where to find me. I'll see you at the next bus.